Hello, Adam Kopeć, Excel lover from Poland. If you have small dataset, pie chart is one of the best to show it. So how can we insert pie chart? Let's start with single cell, then go to Insert tab and let's find pie chart, 2D pie chart. Okay, just click it and we have a pie chart. But we have to remember that pie chart will take all text before the numbers. So in our case we have cities and countries, and we don't want to see countries because there are too many words on our chart. So let's delete chart and we have to select non-contiguous ranges and then insert pie chart. Now we have much simpler pie chart. There are less words, just cities. And the best part in pie charts is data labels, and I like data callouts. We have category name and percentage. So if you choose different kind of data set, you can always change what is shown in data labels. So just click once and Control 1. Then we can check what we want to show on labels. We want to show, in our case, category name and percentages, and just like this we see our dataset. And sometimes it's important to sort our data from largest to smallest, or from smallest to largest, depending on the case. And pie charts are the best when there are just few informations, let's say around 5. If there are more information, our pie chart is less and less readable.